Mother, how do you like find certain shit? You just walk around till you find shit, or you go buy like a map or some shit?
Yeah, probably doing different things, man. Walking around. We're gonna
Have a fucking panic attack.
go swimming today, mama.
Yo, so I'm tapping back in. I'm just letting everybody know that we made it safe and sound. Right now I'm waiting on Lyric. I'm waiting on Dub to get the dog out. So we can go ahead and start walking. And yeah. So I'm gonna tune back in with y'all. We start going along this trail. Come. What's you drinking there? We just had a bowl. She's so fucking crazy, bro.
Trail closed at dusk.
We ain't gonna be here by dusk.
Oh, it is not. Take a picture. Oh, be careful. She's going through the game.
Man, dumbass.
Alright, trail number 1.
Yes, sir, ski. I'm ashy as fuck. Like, nigga, put some lotion on your hands.
I'm ready to run through the one.
Nigga, I'm not running. Don't run off and get low. They been repping on my zipper. Trail 1, popular. You wanna go popular or tire? You feeling left or right? Have no deal. Ideal. Let me see.
What is power is that? So,
Check it out. Franklin D. Roosevelt was here before. Yeah. Tree planting. Skirt. We out here, man. It's beautiful. It's a lot of space. We ain't seen too much of nothing yet, for real, but we just started maybe like literally 5 minutes ago. She all the way down there somewhere. Well, I ain't gonna say somewhere, I can see her. Trailing behind, I had to use the bathroom. Shit, it's peaceful though. Getting out and being able to do certain shit like this. You know, give me a tone with myself. A tone with nature. Yeah. I put this hat on. I don't know who I was feeling like today. But shit, fuck it, why not? Well, it was raining earlier. I thought we was gonna come out this bitch in the rain for real, but it stopped. It feel good. I can't complain. Can't complain at all. Lyric. Motherfucker was trying to barbecue. I don't know what the fuck that is. But I ain't never been out here, you know, my eyes open. You know? Especially going somewhere we never been before, but see, you can't live your life like that. You know? You wanna tune in on this conversation? Talking to the camera. I was basically telling them we ain't never been over here, but you would think you can't be over here, but you can't live your life like that. You gotta live your life. You can't be scared. You know, to just live your motherfucking life. Real shit though. I mean, this ain't nothing crazy, but just getting in tune with yourself, getting in tune with nature. It feels great. I can't complain. But I'll see y'all when we find something interesting. Skirt. Huh? You want to see? She got the shitters.
I can't keep walking too long. No, I feel bloated. I feel constipated. Like,
Just lay in the grass. Sorry, no, I was gonna say that.
Shit, how I'm feeling right now? No, what?
No, go ahead, motherfucker.
No, I am. I just need this.
I got her. This is why you say no to drugs, y'all. I'm about to make this shit funny.
It feels good. I'm connecting with the fucking earth. I'm talking about drugs.
Say no to motherfucking drugs. Coco.
Me and Coco.
Coco is.
In this bitch. Come on, Coco. Hi, my babies. Hey, my babies.
Shit, we out this bitch, man. Taking a little break. Gang, shit.
Stretching, y'all. Coco over here bathing, sunbathing.
Ain't no motherfuckers. Ain't no sun out right now.
Yeah, baby. She got her legs stretched out.
We ain't seen shit yet, y'all. This shit looking booty butt right now. We trying to find this. You got something to say to these niggas?
Well, I'll see you at the water.
If we can find the motherfucker. Says she talking about she constipated.
I had to get some water, but the rest of this water is
Yeah, bro. Coco. Oh, shit. Damn. Damn. Nah, bro.
Attack, Coco. Attack.
Bro, she
Attack.
got me all wrapped up in this.
Attack.
Coco, turn around.
She said, "I'm good." She going the exact opposite way.
What the fuck? Yeah,
Get him, Coco. Get him. Get him.
I love these boo. Ain't shit getting in these.
We can walk back some more. We can walk back in the water.
All right, so we found the water, y'all.
Big enough now, nigga.
Yeah. She keep barking at people like she gonna do something. The fuck? We got Dub right here. She got her dope.
Okay, show me the water though. We about to just walk through the water. Fuck the trail. We got on the right type
It's
of
kind of
today.
slippery. Man, ain't no water getting in these motherfuckers.
Thank you.
All right, let me make sure I don't slip though. It's slippery. You hear me? It's slippery. Hey man, I almost just fucking died, bro. I'm blessed. I'm for sure fucking blessed. I ain't gonna lie. My heart in my ass right now, bro. Y'all not gonna. So I'm trying to get down on this bullshit right here. That shit slippery as fuck right now. I'm trying to tell you, bro. I could have fucking just died right now. Look at this motherfucking drop, bro. Oh my goodness. I would have been dead. No, Larry, do not come down here. No, I'm dead serious. It was slippery as fuck. Bro, I swear on my life. Do not do it, bro. Larry, no. I'm telling, I couldn't even control myself. It's not. I'm glad. I'm adrenaline fucking rushing right now. What is hell but funky, man? Hey, I'm blessed, man. That shit slippery as hell. Right
I'm
there.
not gonna lie, he would have been on his. He almost just literally flew off the end of there. Record, can you show me What's the drop look like?
It's like 30 feet, bro.
Are you serious?
No bullshit. This is some fuckery. Let me go out so y'all can see this shit. But barely. This shit crazy. I almost just fell to my death, but I'm blessed by the Most High. You know? Alright, y'all, we up out of here. This is a good park. I most definitely would come back and trail, walk the trail, but if we come back, I said we need to be more prepared next time. We ain't really get to explore much, but I feel like if we would have actually did a full walk around all the trails, it probably would be a better experience. But we was tired. We've been around here for about, what, an hour and a half, so we just gonna end it out with this. And shit, who knows, we might even come back or double back into another trail or some shit like that, you know. Yeah, we don't know where the fuck we at, so. In the motherfucking country, so we gonna get the fuck up out of here because it's already, what, 4:46?
It's basically 5, yeah.
It's about 5 o'clock. It get dark in the hour, so we gone. We don't belong out here.